This is how to fix Discord stuck on the starting screen error. So let's get into it and fix this error. So the first step that you need to do is to simply open your run box by pressing Windows plus R keys at once and then search here for temp and then hit the enter. So right here you have to just select all the files and the folders from here and simply right click at any place here, click on the delete. So basically you have to just clear the cached and the temporary files from here. Once you're done, again open your run box and this time search here for percentage local app data percentage and then hit the enter. So here locate for your Discord folder and simply delete this folder from here. Now close this window, open your browser and then access the discord.com and then try to log in back to your account. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. Otherwise you just simply need to uninstall your Discord and then try to again download it from the discord.com website. Once you are here, simply click on the download from Windows and wait for completing this download and simply install it, and doing so your problem will be fixed. I hope this video was a big help for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.